Good afternoon. It's a nice sunny day. Woo. Lord have mercy. Today I got this let's see, it's a 2013 CSU 613. Got a turbo charger code added 2 times. I printed this out because when I look at it on the computer, then you can't really see nothing. So that's the code. Turbocharger. I'm just waiting on some updates, and then I'll go ahead and check the turbo. How y'all doing today? Checking the turbo. I don't know, them babies are a little weak. 11.7 volts. I might check the connection, make sure it's charging. You know, this thing, whew, it's metal. Of course, that's what happens when you get a sewer truck. Sewer. Got the attachment shovel. You ain't got to worry about no shovel. Then you look over there, you need the transmission. Sewer truck, nasty. Woo! Nothing bad. But while this thing is going ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. We have got a MP8. Let's go over here and check. Oh yeah, here's some turbo. I'll be looking at that. I'm gonna check the oil in it and everything good. Make sure I don't see nothing more. There's the DPF DOC. Nothing that ordinary. More likely it's probably this. Everything looks good. Alright, I'll be back. First thing I'm gonna do, I know you can't hardly see, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the turbo functions. See what this turbo is doing. Man, it's hot out here. Shoot. Boy. I see that is status 3. Might be stuck. Let's see what status 3 means. Status 3 is slow to close or unable to close. So there's no sense in me doing that, but I can try it anyway. That's the fault. So I'm gonna be taking the turbo actuator off and checking it. Let's go to this side. We're gonna take this thing off. I'm gonna try to. You always use a wrench and socket. Just in case, you know, the bolt might break off. Oh man, that one didn't come out. Out broke loose. Dirt. This thing gets powerful of dirt. You want to see dirt, dirt. I'll be back. Give me a pick. Some tire strap. I'll be putting the tire straps off so I can get enough over here. Change it. Hello. Now I'm going to clean them ports out. Try to. Yeah, she got some in there. straps. I hope these bolts come out. Usually them things get back up in there, they don't come out at all. There you go, bye-bye. There you go, bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Let's cut some of these other ones down here. Somebody went tie strap happy down here. There you are. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna do this one. Stick it in there and power drive it. Brought my little handy way to get on in there. If it breaks, it breaks. Yeah, I think she's gonna strip. Oh, she's in there. Ooh. I don't think she's going to be coming out. There it is. Oh well, it's a snap on. See if I can get it broke loose. Oh, she broke loose. Hit it a little harder than that. Might have put some go-go juice on it. I gotta get some go-go juice. I have cut these off. Then take a vice grip to get a hold of it. I don't want to strip the head off. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, look what I got. I got me some old rusty. Let's see if I can get that foot in there. Might be just a paint. Something to do with a paint. I don't know. We'll see. Well, we will see if I can get it off. I really don't want to break it. And this is the only one. She's not coming off. I don't think she's going to come off. That's going to suck. Because she's the only one. She doesn't want to work with me. I might end up having to break this thing. Oh, Jesus. I'll tell you what, I'm about ready to just let it run for a little bit, get it hot. Maybe I'll do that. Let it run, get it hot. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave my wrench right there and I'm going to get it hot. And when I break it loose, it breaks loose. Well, that didn't work. It's stripped out. I'm putting a turbo on this thing. I mean, they got money. More likely, they got money. So, more likely I'll be putting a turbo. This whole come on out. Because nothing worked.